Today, GMC announced the first ever 2024 GMC Sierra HD AT4X, featuring the AT4X AEV Edition, a truck that enables adventurers to go further while still having the towing capability essential for heavy-duty haulers. In addition to the standard 6.6 liters gas engine, the new AT4X offers the turbocharged pulling power of the available 6.6 liters Duramax turbo diesel. Enhanced for 2024, it will deliver 470 horsepower and 975 pound-foot of torque. Both engines are paired with an Allison 10-speed automatic transmission. Check out the description to see the off-road highlights. The 2024 Sierra HD AT4X and AT4X AEV Edition are expected to arrive at dealerships in the fall of 2023. Pricing will be announced closer to the start of production.